guys, welcome to a cleaning motivation video. I've been wanting to do a proper deep clean in my apartment for a while now. I can see the dust building up on some of the bench tops and some of the mess that I've made. So today I finally have a chance to actually get in and pull things apart and clean properly. So I thought I would film it and do a cleaning motivation video for you. So let's go and get started. I think it's pretty important to give yourself a cleaning plan when you're doing a big clean. So I'm gonna be working from this corner all the way back. I've made a little bit of a mess down here from where I was making notes. And then I really want to dust off the TV unit because it's building up and it's been bothering me, and that's kind of what has inspired me to do a proper clean, to get all my bench tops clean. So I'm gonna start here, work back. I accidentally dropped a match a couple of weeks ago when I was trying to light the candle, and I'm not really sure how to get it out. Does anyone have any recommendations of what I can do to kind of get rid of that little brown stain? Because I don't want it there. That is a pretty clean living room. I just realized I didn't wipe down the TV. I should probably do that very quickly, although it's actually not as dusty as I thought it would be. That's fine. Okay, I'm gonna quickly wipe down the TV and then living room's done. Now we're done, and it's a pretty clean living room. I do want to cut the tag off the back of this cushion that I got from Kmart because it's really irritating me because it just kind of hangs there over the side and I don't like it. I've actually changed my mind. I reckon it would be better to have the cushion that's the same on both sides in this corner and this one at the window, so I'm just gonna do a little switch. Still working front to back. I'm gonna finish off the rest of the window area. I need to vacuum this whole space because there's lots of fluff everywhere, water that plant, and maybe just tidy up that table. Next on the list of things to clean up is my desk. The next thing I need to do is my bedroom. I haven't made my bed, and I was also trying on a bunch of clothes this morning, so I've got a few bits and pieces everywhere, so I'm just gonna put everything away, vacuum the floors, and make my bed. And I also need to wipe down the bedside tables because they're getting really, really dusty. the kitchen, I'm just gonna unpack the dishwasher from last night and then repack it with some of the dishes from this morning. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen now. I just need to pull everything out from there, wipe down all the benches in the cooktop, do whatever's in the sink, and then I need to deal with this. This is just a pile of DIY stuff, like paint and whatever, that has been sitting here for ages. And I really wanna clean this up and then actually style up this whole section. Maybe put something nice on the walls, get some flowers, maybe some decor, but I just need to fix this whole area. Coffee stains are the worst on bench tops, and gumption is really good to get it out, so I do need to go and get some more gumption so that I can clean that up, because I hate coffee stains on bench tops. It just irritates me. Disaster has struck. I dropped my coffee machine. I really hope it's not broken. Now there's like coffee water all over the floor just after I talk about coffee stains. Fingers crossed everything is fine. The coffee machine survived, and that looks so much better. There's not as much clutter and stuff over in that corner. It's just looking a lot fresh in there. I still want to add a couple of pieces. Like, I'd love to get a gold like pot holder, the metal ones that you can get from Kmart, and you put them on the bench when you put a hot plate on it or something. So I'd like to get one of those and have that standing at the back, because I think that would look nice. And maybe even like a little herb plant or something just to sit next to the coffee maker, something to just kind of brighten it up and make it a little bit cuter. Bathroom, I need to wash both of these mats, probably do a load of towels, and then get rid of some of the products out of here. Just do a really big clean. The bathroom really needs it. This dress needs to be dry cleaned, so I should probably put it on a hanger and maybe put it on my rack, and then this towel can get washed when I do a load of towels. That's pretty much my whole house cleaned. That feels so much better. I've been meaning to do this for the last couple of months and I just haven't got around to it. So I still need to mop the floors and maybe do a few other things, but I'm just gonna do that another day because this has just turned into one really long cleaning day. But so worth it, it feels great. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.